All right, we're back. This is how to make lemon parfait cups. Again, it's quick, simple, no bake. Here's what I have: whipped cream, graham crackers, Jello lemon instant pudding. I'm gonna use heavy whipping cream. Again, I'll let you see here. It's very quick, very easy, very delicious. Give it 2 thumbs up. I like it better chilled. What are some of your favorite desserts? And here are the Oreos here.
Cups. Again, this is one of my bags.
Again, it's quick, easy. I like it best chilled. If you are like us, we love dessert. You're going to see the mixture coming up. I love it thick.
Pudding mix.
I did squeeze a fresh lemon. It was thick because of the heavy whipping
I'm
cream.
going to add some whipped
cream. But yeah, it's quick, easy, no fuss
is a lemon,
dessert.
No bake.
Again, make sure you watch.
Like we used to. I don't know if you ever went to KFC like in the early 90s. They had this lemon meringue parfait. It was so delicious. Again, make sure you like the video, subscribe, watch it all the way through. This is the filling, and I'm going to add some cookie crumbles. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, like. Yeah, this is a no bake lemon parfait cup. Yeah, you see the cream, it has fresh lemon. Yeah, go ahead and hit that like button.
Here's the end result. You see the graham crackers, the pudding, the whipped cream, and you'll see on top we have the Oreos. Again, it's a quick, easy, no bake. You can make this with the kids. Again, it was so good. And I liked it chilled. We did have it before it was chilled, and today we had it chilled. Good. 2 thumbs up. Again, make sure you like. If you want more recipes, comment below what recipe or what dessert would you like us to make next. Again, this is a no bake lemon parfait. It reminded me of the ones we used to have at KFC. And again, you have the graham. You see how it's layered? Graham crackers, the pudding, whipped cream, Oreos on top.
Next station, siguiente estación, Bell. Bell Station, doors open left, puertas se abren a la izquierda. Main Street Square, doors open left, puertas se abren a la izquierda. Main Street Square Station.
Forget to like, subscribe, comment. Again, comment below what do you want to see us make next. Love you.